far away, at a carefully managed breeding farm of ostrich. From the earliest stage, strict hygiene and safety systems are followed.
Every worker plays an important role in maintaining quality at each step.
Easy now, keep them calm, guide them straight up the ramp.
Confirmed. Closing the gate now.
The transport vehicles are sanitized and prepared in advance.
Proper spacing ensures the ostrich remain calm during transportation.
The journey to the modern leather facility begins.
Here, the hides will enter a fully mechanized processing system. These systems ensure uniform cleaning before chemical treatment.
Next, the hides are softened through mechanical rollers. This softening prepares them for effective tanning.
Quality checks are done before entering the chemical process. Only hides that meet factory standards are approved. Technicians record each batch for traceability. Every step is monitored through digital control systems. The initial cleaning ensures the leather has a smooth foundation. Proper handling here affects the final texture and quality. The hides are now ready for tanning, the heart of leather production.
The next phase transforms the hides into durable material.
Large rotating drums mix the hides with tanning chemicals.
These chemicals strengthen and preserve the leather. The rotation ensures every part of the hide absorbs the treatment.
This step gives leather its long-lasting durability.
This step gives leather its long-lasting durability. Tanning also prevents the hide from decaying over time.
Expert technicians measure chemical levels for precision. Every batch is timed exactly for consistent results. The hides soak until they reach the required softness.
The hides are inspected for color and texture uniformity in a modern view.
Any imperfect hides are separated for retreatment.
The leather slowly transforms into a strong, flexible material.
Machines maintain temperature and rotation speed automatically.
This stage plays a major role in creating premium leather.
The texture looks correct for this batch. How are the sensor readings?
Within optimal parameters. Documenting the progress now.
Once complete, the hides are removed from the drums.
They are prepared for drying and finishing processes.
Each hide now has a stable structure and improved strength.
The hides are stacked and ready for the next phase. This marks the end of the tanning process. The journey continues toward drying and refinement. The tanned leather enters the drying section.
Powerful drying systems reduce moisture quickly and evenly.
Each hide is stretched to maintain its natural shape.
This prevents wrinkles and preserves texture. After drying, the hides go through staking machines.
Staking softens the leather and increases flexibility. This process adds smoothness and comfort to the final product.
Still too firm on this side.
Agreed. I'm logging it as suboptimal.
Any uneven areas are reprocessed for balance. These machines play a key role in finishing quality.
Final inspections ensure uniform softness.
The leather is now ready for coloring and finishing.
Each hide moves to the next section of the factory.
The transformation continues with precision. The leather now enters the coloring area.
Skilled technicians apply dyes to achieve rich, even tones.
Color machines spray the hides with consistent coverage.
This step defines the leather's final appearance. Different shades are created based on client requirements.
Multiple layers of dye may be added for depth.
After coloring, the hides are dried again. They then pass into finishing machines.
Protective coatings add shine and durability.
These coatings improve resistance to water and scratches.
Quality control teams inspect each hide thoroughly.
They check thickness, texture, color balance, and feel. Any color defects are corrected immediately.
Finishing adds the final touch to the leather.
The leather now achieves a high-quality, refined look. Technicians ensure every piece meets export standards.
The finished hides move to the cutting area.
Each hide is now ready for precise trimming.
The finishing stage is now complete. The leather proceeds to the shaping section.
This step prepares it for packaging.
The processed leather sheets reach the cutting area.
Modern cutting tools trim the edges with precision.
Workers shape each hide according to standard sizes. Accuracy is important for consistent final products.
Each piece is sorted based on quality grade.
Damaged areas are removed to maintain high standards.
Final touch-ups are applied to remove minor imperfections. The leather is now fully shaped and finished.
Quality assurance teams approve the final pieces.
Each approved piece is prepared for packing. The shaping process ensures uniformity and value.
The leather moves to the pack ring area. The final stage of production is ready to begin.
The finished leather is packed using protective materials.
Each sheet is labeled with batch and quality details.
Packaging ensures the leather stays clean and undamaged.
Boxes are sealed according to export requirements.
Final checks confirm all documentation is complete.
The packed leather is now ready for global distribution. From farm to factory, the journey of premium leather is complete.